Hello creative designers, my name is Peter. Welcome on today's tutorial. I'm going to share my top 5 Elementor add-ons which you can use to add more features to your free version for Elementor. Some of these features that this add-on will add, you cannot get them with pro version for Elementor. You can see here I have the free version for Elementor, and the features that it have, some of them are limited for us to use. Yeah, if you see for the pro version, like if you want to add some post archive, you need a pro version. A gallery you don't have the way you can make. You cannot even create a nav menu for yourself. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to share my top 5 add-on for Elementor which you can use when you're creating a blog website. My first plugin that comes in the list is called Element Kits for Elementor. We need to activate the plugin. I already have installed it, but if you don't know how to install, come on the sidebar, select on plugin and select add new plugin, and you'll be directed to this page here. You search the plugin that you're going to use. It's called Element Kits. This is the plugin that you're going to use. The next thing you need to do is you just click. It has this install now button. You only have to click install and activate button. And after that you click the activate button and the plugin will be active and ready to use. So what you did after you activate the plugin, we need to refresh this page for us to have those features alive and working. With the activation of the plugin, you have this button which when you just click on it, it just offer you so many template you can use in your website. So if you decide like to use this widget here, after you insert, you just click insert, you have that page ready to use and you can use it. Or all you need to do is you come and edit from here. Like you can change it, the children, maybe talent, to you just change. All you need, you can edit all these and have the page and use the page for your website. That's how you can use its widget. It has so many values you can also use. Let me click at these and show you. It has so many features. It has even the header section. You can use some of this legitimate header. Some of these need some pro version, but if you click like for that one, that's the one you can use for free. All you need to do is you set maybe for like the menu ready, and with that you have your header ready to be used. That's how you can use that plugin, Element Kit plugin. The other features that we need to check that has been added. Let me close this one. You see now you have this Element Kits but more features from this section. It has even the blog post. You all you need to do is drag and drop, select the way you just want your post to be shown, and set everything for your you can set everything for your WordPress website. That's how you can use Element Kit for Elementor. The number 2 plugin that come in my list is called Header Footer Blocks for Elementor. All you need to do is install the plugin Header Footer for Elementor. Here you have, it's from the Brainstorm. They are the people behind rhythm called Astra. You can see it has more than 600,000 active installation. You can see how active they are. You can see our last updated almost less than a month ago, and the plugin I have installed it. We activate the plugin. Its features come on appearance and select header footer. So if you want to create a header from this section, click here, name your header. Just call maybe header 1 or whatever you want to call it. Select here, select the option is a header, and you can select the display on. You want it on the entire website, or you just want maybe in singulars. You can have it on all archives, and when you're not on archive, you can select you just used another header. For us, I want it to be an entire website. You can also add display rule. You can add it to be shown on maybe a category template or element kit item, whichever you want to use. The other one, you can disable it for certain user alone. Maybe for logged, it will be available for only logged in. If you logged out, or you can also be, if you select for logged in, only the logged in can be able to see the header. If you select for the logged out, if you log in, you'll not be able to see this header. You can also select advanced option. You have the administrator, this for other users. I want it to be for all, and that you can use maybe in Canva, and select in Canva, and you publish and edit with Elementor. For you to be able to create a header with Elementor, you need a pro version, but with this header footer block, you'll be able to create a header for free. So there's a plugin that come into my list. It's called Livemesh add-on for Elementor. We need to activate the plugin. After you activate the plugin, we need to refresh the page here. After you activate the Livemesh add-on for Elementor, let's see the feature that come with it. Just close all this. Here we have the Livemesh add-on for Elementor. You see it has a lot of so many features that you can use when you're creating your website. All you need to do when you just use the template, you have only to change maybe an icon, and you change the text and the link. You can also add the link for your website. You can also add animation type. It has so many features that you can use when you are creating your website. It has even the post grid. All you have to do is you just drag and drop. You can even select for the post type or for the pages, template, media, element, whatever it has to be. You can also sort by taxonomies, like you can select for the certain category and post for some categories. That's how you can use the Livemesh to add in your blog website. You can use it and explore more features that comes with it. Another plugin that we're going to have in our list is called Premium Add-on for Elementor. Let's activate the plugin and see the features that comes with it. We reload our page. It comes with its own goodies. You can see it has some template that you can use. Let's open it. Here you have some widget you can use for your website. We have some of them are free and some of them need some pro version to use. If you select, like for this one, you insert, you see how it look, and the next thing you need to do is you come and edit this text here and text and everything there. You can also change, like for this 5-star, it has a lot of features that you can use. Let's explore and see the feature that comes with it beside the widget. So here we have them. To have even the premium blog, to have, if you select the premium blog, you can select if you want to use on grid, or you can see the features that comes with it. You can also set the queries and a lot that goes with it and its goodies. You can try this plugin to create when you're creating your blog website and see the features with it. Our final plugin that we're going to have in our list is called Sticky Header for Elementor. We activate the plugin. You have created your header. Let me just create. So what we need to do for us to be able to see the features for this plugin, we need to add a section. Let me add a section. That's our section, and I update. And the next thing that we need to have our header here. After now you add the section and you save it, you need to come back to the plugin section, select the element kit and select Elementor header footer section. With this, now you need to select the one that you want to use. You want a header, so you add new. It's a header, you call it header 1. Select type is a header, or if you want a footer you can select, and the condition, I want it to be on entire website. Activation, I want to use it and save the changes. After that, the edit button now become active, and click edit the content. You'll be directed now to Elementor dashboard where you need to create your. So we are not going to create we are going to use the one that is ready for us to use. We click this button for element kits and we select header and we select the one that is free and you can be able to edit as fast as we can. There you have our header. Let's select the menu that we need to have. We need this menu here. There you have it. With that, let's just update. Let's view the page. You see, let's check. Let's add the page that we have just created. Let's click on this demo page. You see, on scroll, our header just disappear. We want it to be sticky, so you just have to select this option. Not that. Just have to select this option here. Come to sticky header effect and turn it on and update. We need to refresh the page, and with that you can see our header is sticky. The other thing, you need to just come and customize the background, so that's how you can use that sticky header effect for your website. Those are my top 5 Elementor add-on you can use when creating your WordPress blog website. I hope you did learn something, and I hope you got some values out of this topic, out of this tutorial. Consider liking this video and subscribe to this channel for more WordPress tutorials that are going and are following. My name is Peter. Pleasure to have you. Till we meet next time, and I hope I'll get you back. Thank you.